Hello and welcome back to Michigan Hobby Hunter. Today I am extremely excited to show you and to be able to do this cleanup on this extremely rare and valuable plane. What we are going to be cleaning up today is the Miller's patent number 41. This particular model is nickel plated. And it has a break in the fence here. Don't know if this is the original fence for it. I will not be restoring this to the way I do my hand planes. This is much more valuable. We'll basically just be cleaning it up. What we're going to be using to clean this up is just a variety of brass, steel, and nylon brushes, along with a soft toothbrush. And of course, steel wool. This is really fine, like a quadruple hot steel wool. And Dawn dish soap. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our plane and we're going to disassemble it. So here she is all broke down. Okay, so we're going to clean this old girl up now. We're going to go at her piece by piece. You can see we have some really tiny screws here. So we're going to be really careful not to lose those as they're going to get put into a little container. Start by getting the grime off with the nylon brush here. Alright my friends, we have our parts here. They're all cleaned up. I'm going to show you how well they did. This one really surprised me on this side right here, how much of the original nickel is still there. This was all rust. you remember correctly. This, you couldn't see anything. It was all rust and grime. And I got in there and look at her. And on this side, we could see nickel plating. Look how beautiful that turned out though. Do have a patent date. 1886 here. Get this backed up a little bit. There we go. And we got May 8th, I think, 1886. So this is a later date for the Miller patent. But let's go ahead and put her together. I didn't want to go and take off all the patina. I really like the aged look on this. Like, this is brass. I could have this mirror finish in no time. So I don't want to go too deep on these wing nuts because they're brass, but they're nickel plated. So even though this one's broken, I'm going to keep them all original. I didn't go in here where it's rusty. I have to try and get that out of there without damaging it. To clean that off, I'm not going to put the wire wheel in there and take off that nickel plating there and expose the brass. So same thing with here. We got a nice patina on the nickel. They're all cleaned up, looking beautiful. And did you see that? I actually got these little guys clean. So let's go ahead and slap this old girl back together and see what she looks like. I'm really impressed right now. Only thing I don't like is I don't think this is the original fence for it. Let me know in the comments. Let's put her back together. She is cleaned up. Let's oil this handle. She's using boiled linseed oil. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's soaking it right up. So I will coat this over and over again. Make sure this wood is nicely hydrated and protected. Let that soak it up for a minute. And put another coat on. So, here we are. Go. That's it. See, there's no cutter on the side of this, so ideally I think you would want to cut a groove in here. This is my first time using one. Seems to be working all right. Want some deck shavings. And there she is. She did what she's intended to do. She cuts. Well, my friends, I'd like to thank you for watching Michigan Hobby Hunter. If you could, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and have a very blessed day. Thanks for watching.